welcome back to my channel again. Datuki class naludi we are going to study about capillary exchange. Tubga. There are different types of blood vessels in the human circulatory system. So these are the network of tubes that transport the blood around the body. Tubga. The one of the blood vessel is arteries. The function of arteries is to carry blood away from the heart. And another blood vessels is veins. Veins carry blood back to the heart. Tubga. Veins carry blood towards the heart. The next blood vessels is capillaries. Blood capillaries. When an artery reaches an organ, it branches out into capillaries. It is in the capillaries where substances such as oxygen, food, and carbon dioxide are exchanged between the blood and the organ cells by diffusion. The capillary walls contain small pores through which certain substances move in and out of the blood cells. The capillaries is the place where the exchange of substances takes place. The osmotic pressure is produced by high concentration of salts and plasma proteins in the blood. The pressure exerted by fluids such as blood and tissue fluids against the walls of the capillaries is called hydrostatic pressure. Due to the osmotic pressure and hydrostatic pressure, the exchange of substances happens in the capillaries. The source of the hydrostatic blood pressure is the pumping action of the heart. The hydrostatic blood pressure the built up due to the pumping action of the heart. Same. Diagram naludi ani the lungs ani heart ani the capillaries ani capillaries the different organs nalu ani red the artery ani red color na emi the arteries ani blue color nalu emi the veins the lungs helps in the breathing in and out when we breathe in we inhale oxygen when we breathe out we exhale carbon dioxide the breathe in beudalu oxygen the inhale be the hani oxygen is transported by arteries from lungs to the heart. Further, heart will pump the oxygenated blood to different parts of the body. The capillaries now the oxygen the diffuse bew. The oxygen the diffuse bew. The diffuse out bew the oxygen is used by cells. Cells used oxygen and releases carbon dioxide. The carbon dioxide the capillaries ki naanalu diffuse bew carbon dioxide be. The carbon dioxide is carried by veins to the heart. Further, heart will pump the deoxygenated blood to the lungs. Let's breathe out the carbon dioxide. The cycle continues. Tubga. Breathe in the oxygen the inhale bew. Oxygen is transported by arteries from lungs to the heart. Further, heart will pump the oxygenated blood from heart to the capillaries. The capillaries now have the oxygen will diffuse out. Any oxygen is used by cells. It produces carbon dioxide, which is waste. Carbon dioxide will diffuse into the blood. The blood will become deoxygenated blood. The deoxygenated blood is transported to the heart by veins. Further, the heart will pump the deoxygenated blood to the lungs. They breathe out carbon dioxide. The capillaries. And you read the artery. Then blue the veins along. The artery carries blood from heart to the different parts of the body. The vein carries blood towards the heart. The capillaries. The capillaries is the place where the exchange of substances takes place. capillaries की surrounding नालो दिक्कत देव cells देव ana cells कार cells देव आने भी cells कोई कार cells देव capillaries की चिका दी दा heart नाले oxygenated blood हुई में कोई oxygenated लामे दी blood with oxygen कोई मो the artery carries oxygenated blood oxygen हुई the oxygen the capillaries नालो हेप दालो the oxygen will diffuse out कोई the diffuse out oxygen the bion the ani oxygen is used by cells कोई मो the cells की oxygen use bion the le produces carbon dioxide the le hani carbon dioxide the waste में बने the ani carbon dioxide is diffused into the blood कोई the ani carbon dioxide is diffused into the blood the le ani blood will become deoxygenated blood deoxygenated blood is transported to the heart by vein goimo tele ani bera cycle the continuous be goimo amchirai thank you and please subscribe to my channel for more videos tugga